Hey there! Are you ready to learn about one of the coolest and most innovative technologies out there? Smart contracts. Smart contracts are like self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement between two parties written directly into lines of code. These lines of code are stored and replicated on a blockchain network, allowing for transparency, immutability, and security. The concept of smart contracts was first introduced by computer scientist and lawyer Nick Szabo in the 1990s. Szabo recognized the potential for using computer code to enforce and execute the terms of a contract, and he saw that the decentralized and secure nature of blockchain technology made it an ideal platform for doing so. But how do smart contracts actually work? When a smart contract is created, it is first written in a high-level programming language, such as Solidity. This code is then compiled into machine-readable code and deployed to the blockchain, where it becomes a part of the blockchain's distributed ledger. Once a smart contract is deployed, it can be triggered by external events or by the passage of time. For example, a smart contract could be set to execute automatically when a certain date is reached or when a payment is received. When a smart contract is triggered, it executes the code contained within it and carries out the actions specified in the contract. These actions could include transferring funds, updating records, or interacting with other smart contracts. One of the key benefits of smart contracts is that they allow for the automation of processes and the enforcement of contract terms. This can save time and reduce the need for intermediaries such as lawyers or escrow agents. Smart contracts offer a high level of security, as the terms of the contract are written into the code and stored on the blockchain. This makes it very difficult for the terms of the contract to be altered or tampered with. Now that we have a basic understanding of how smart contracts work, let's take a look at some examples and how they can be used. One common use case for smart contracts is in supply chain management. For example, a smart contract could be used to track the movement of goods through the supply chain, ensuring that payment is released only when certain conditions are met, such as the delivery of goods. Smart contracts can also be used in the real estate industry. For example, a smart contract could be used to automate the process of buying and selling property. The contract could include clauses specifying the price, the closing date, and any contingencies, and it could automatically transfer ownership of the property and release payment once terms of the contract have been met. Another potential use case for smart contracts is in voting systems. A smart contract could be used to securely and transparently tally votes in an election, ensuring that the results are accurate and tamper-proof. But these are just a few examples of how smart contracts can be used. The potential applications of smart contracts are virtually endless, and the use of blockchain technology continues to grow and expand. We are likely to see more and more innovative uses for smart contracts. Smart contracts have the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from finance and healthcare to government and beyond. Hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of what smart contracts are and how they work. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.